Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video about all of my favorite natural hair products. I'm trying to talk low because I'm trying not to have that echo that I usually have when I record. I know it's been a long time. You guys are probably wondering why I haven't recorded videos in a long time, but it's a lot that comes with that. Like, I was so busy. Like, I got a new job and I was just like getting kind of like used to the new schedule. I was trying to upload on Sundays, but it wasn't really working out because I used to have Sundays off and now I don't have Sundays off anymore. But now that I'm back, I'm actually back in a whole different mind space, a whole different headspace. You probably could tell, but I have so many different ideas and videos that I want to create for you guys. So now I'm back in my motivated mindset that I had before. So now it's time for us to talk a little bit about my favorite hair products, because I felt like I haven't done that in a while, and I have come across a few hair products that I like. So these products are going to be my absolute holy grail, like products that I think if I run out, then naturally I'm gonna have to buy another bottle. Because what do you do when you have a product that you love and then you run out? You don't buy something else, you buy it again and again and again. And I have a couple products that I do that all the time. So I'm going to share those products with you right now. So we're gonna start off with my favorite leave-in. As you guys know, my favorite leave-in used to be the Mielle white peony. I still love that one. However, I'm actually like, I have a lot left right now because of this leave-in that I'm about to tell you about. And you guys probably seen me use this in a lot of my other videos. This is the lemongrass, and as you can see, I literally have none left. It has a little bit here, but I can't even use a spray bottle at this point, so I need to go out and buy another one. I got this one for $11.99, so I'm gonna have to get one. They actually come with a big, like a humongous bottle, but it's just a little bit more expensive, and I think it makes more sense to just buy that one because I use this stuff so hard. And the reason why I love it is because it just makes my hair like super soft and detangled before I apply product. And I don't believe in just adding product to your hair without having a leave-in, because to me leave-in is like a primer. You can't put on your foundation on your face without primer because it's just not going to take correctly. It's just gonna lay on. It needs to have something to lay on, just like how paint needs primer before you put it on the wall. It's the same thing. So I suggest that you guys definitely go out and get this leave-in. I feel like it'll be good for any hair type. I've seen 3B, 3C, 4A, 4B. I see everybody using this product all the way to the end of the charts. So definitely go out and get you one of these. So as of recently, I've come across a brand and they're called Lay Hair Care. They actually reached out to me, and you know me, if I get a product sent to me and I don't like it, I'm gonna let y'all know, kind of like I'm not really feeling the product necessarily, because I've had products sent to me from some other brands and I honestly just stopped working with them completely because of the fact that I was like, I'm not gonna promote this any further because I'm really not seeing results. So when I got sent this hair product, I was actually interested in it from way before they even sent me anything, because I saw them on Instagram, and I think maybe it was the packaging that got me, but I was curious to know what it was all about because it's all natural and their products seem like they work. So they ended up reaching out to me, or I believe I reached out to them. I don't remember if it was me or them, but either way it goes, they sent me the products, and they actually sent me 3 different products. This is their leave-in conditioner, which I did a video previous to this one, and I used this in my hair and it was absolutely just amazing. It was actually comparable to the Mielle leave-in because it's like a cream leave-in. It's not a spray, just like the Alikay Naturals. And I don't know if I said that before, that I was showing you guys it's called the Alikay Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner. I don't know if I remember saying that or not, so I just have to say it again. But it actually is very comparable to the Mielle because it softens my hair on contact, it detangles my hair on contact, and I just love products like that. Like, there's products that I've used that claim to be a leave-in conditioner, but like when you apply it to your hair, your hair doesn't like soften up, and it doesn't like detangle instantly, and that's a big thing for me. So definitely love this, and I love the smell of it because it reminded me of like mint chocolate. I don't know if it was this or if it was the styler. Yeah, their products kind of remind me of Christmas, but this leave-in is the leave-in with muru butter and hemp seed, and you can get this on their website, which is layhaircare.com, and they also have Instagram. They also sent me their styling cream, which I used on top of the leave-in. And if you guys want to refer to that video to see how my hair ended up looking once I was done, my hair was amazing. And that day I got so much compliments on my hair. And I think I said that in the video because I really was surprised at how much compliments I got. And all this, this one is with flaxseed and coconut. So if you're not a fan of coconut, I still think you should try it because I don't know, like it really depends on the product, honestly. Like I don't feel like you should go based off of like one product and just automatically blame the ingredients. So definitely try this. I recommend it. And I also did a video on IG. If you guys check me out on IG, I did a deep treatment using their deep conditioner, which, oh my God, and I have proof. The proof is sitting right in front of you because I don't have no product in my hair right now. That's probably why you see like a few areas that's like, this is probably like my damaged areas. My damaged areas, they don't usually like curl up, but if I have a really good deep conditioner, my curls end up looking really defined without product. I mean, it doesn't last obviously because my hair still needs moisture to continue out throughout the week. But just to show you how my hair looks after the deep treatment means that my curls definitely got revived. They look healthy. They look, I just know my hair is healthy whenever my curls clump up like this. And sometimes they don't. It really depends on the conditioner that I use before I start styling my hair. So this is what I used today. And I did not put any product in my hair after I just let it air dry this way. And this is what I got. So definitely try this. This is amazing. It has Benedict and mango butter, and everybody knows that Benedict is really good for detoxing the hair and everything like that. So definitely go ahead and try that. So another product that I have been loving, and I did a video on it, but I never posted a video. So if I have the clip of how my hair turned out after the wash and go using this product, I will insert that right here. But the product that I'm talking about is this product here. It's a little bit messy on there because I was using it a couple days ago, but the Curl Magic by Uncle Funky's daughter, just know that it works. Okay, this stuff is amazing. It makes my curls defined. It's kind of like, it almost reminds me of the, what is that product that I used to love? And I don't know why I never repurchased any of the product, but if I do, I'll link it in the bottom. But it used to be my favorite product, but this reminds me of it because it's so light. The only thing I don't like about it is really sticky when you're like applying it, but then when it dries, your curl just looks amazing. This is not a product, but it is definitely something that I can't live without. It is this water bottle here that you guys see me use in the majority of my wash and go videos. It's the Salon Care Straight Water Kentucky age. I don't even know if that matters, but that's what it says on the bottle. So if you go out to Sally's, which is where I got this from, you can find this water bottle. The reason why I like it is because it's not like those little cheap dollar water bottles that you buy at like Walmart or like the drugstore. it actually had, the nozzle is totally different. It just kind of like sprays out very wide. So like if I really need to drench my hair completely, I can drench my hair. Those little cheap water bottles, they don't do nothing because they shoot straight out, and it takes forever for you to get your hair wet. And that's why I love this product. I use this bottle almost every time I do my wash and go if I'm not using my mister. But you guys already know I love the mister because I talked about that before. Another product that I have to talk about is definitely, I don't have it because I threw the bottle out and I don't know why I did that, but yeah. It is the Mielle shampoo that I always use in my wash videos, my shower routine videos. That shampoo is absolutely mind-blowingly amazing, and I talk about it a lot because it's really that good. It's something about that shampoo that just makes my hair feel so clean, and it has like that minty feeling to it, so it kind of like tingles a little bit. But I don't know why every time I use any other shampoo, I feel like I'm killing myself. I don't know how else to explain it, but it's almost like it feels very like, they feel like they have too many chemicals in them, and I don't know what it is about the difference in feeling, but I can tell that the Mielle is a lot more better for my hair, and it also is cleaning my hair. And then on top of all of that, it makes my hair feel like it's not being sucked of its moisture. Like it feels like my hair is actually being moisturized while it's being, you know, cleaned at the same time, because obviously anything that cleans has detergents in them that will dry your hair out, but because it doesn't feel like it's drying out my hair. So definitely get you one of those. I don't feel like I'm going to be purchasing any other shampoo no time soon, because I'm not crazy about having a whole bunch of different kinds of shampoo, because that's why you guys always see me start my wash and go videos off with just my hair like already washed, because it's really nothing more, nothing new for me to show. I use the same shampoo all the time, and it just is what it is. Like, I don't know what else to say about that. So the product that I was talking about before, I ended up finding an empty of it because I did keep some of my empties. So it is the Taliah Waajid curl sealer. It's always gonna be my favorite product, like hands down, just my favorite leave-in for wash and goes, just period. Anything I've ever mentioned to y'all in any of my YouTube videos, any of my other videos, it does not compare to this product. This is the Taliah Waajid curl sealer. I recommend it for 3C hair. I also love the Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed oil. This is my favorite Eco Styler, hands down, because I feel like I can actually get a decent wash and go out of it and it not be too harsh, and it makes my hair look just amazing when I'm done. My curls be defined, just perfectly together. I love this, and I love it better than the argan oil, the olive oil, all those other ones. This is my favorite one. I use it for my edges. I use it for everything, girl, everything. I was going to go ahead and talk about a few more products, but unfortunately my camera is about to die. So I will definitely try to make a part 2 to this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video.